Hey class, what I'm about to show you are a couple of tricks that's going to help you with this assignment. The first thing that I'm going to show you is how to search for an image properly. So, because it's already up there, I'm going to go ahead and search for Mjolnir, which is Thor's hammer, and because I know of a particular one that I like, I'm going to go ahead and add something specific to it so that I can find the specific thing that I want. Y'all might want to add something like mythology to it. That way we can get a proper image of this thing. All right, I did ask you guys, please do not include the stuff from from the movies. So I like this. I'll go ahead and get that. Okay, so here's trick number one. Trick number one, and that is searching for the right-sized image. Some of y'all may have trouble uploading an image because it's too small. Well, here's how we fix that. When we're in our search and we've got our thing up, all we have to do is grab it and drag it into the search image bar. Wow, look at that. Now I can search for all of the sizes of this picture. Looks like the best one for me is medium. Okay, so here's the second thing that y'all need to know. When I am downloading an image, all I need to do is right-click until that menu comes up, and then I can choose to save the image as, but please do not do that. Do not do that. You're still going to get a small image because you are saving the thumbnail that you're looking at, not the real image. So instead, click this little thing that says Open in New Tab. When we do that, it'll open up in a brand new window all by itself. Now we can right-click that image, save as, stick it wherever we want, name it whatever we want, and we are good to go. If you're still having issues after watching this video, please ask one of your neighbors to help you sort through it. All right, y'all. Hopefully this helps.